Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to show or hide caller ID on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down a little bit and tap on supplementary services, and as you can see I've got some problems with my card, but no worries, I can still show you how to do it. So as at the very top of the list we've got show your caller ID, and after that was a misclick. And after tapping on it, here we've got 3 different options. We've got network default, never, or always. So here you can decide if you want to display your ID on other devices or not. If you don't want to, just pick never, just tap on it, and as you can see it is marked. Or if you want to, you can set also always. Let me pick always. So actually this is it. This is how to show or hide caller ID in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.